Hello ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog. It's fucking freezing. It's really cold outside, and of course that's the day that I need to get gas, and then I'm riding to Queens to take care of some shit. This is about 4 p.m. after the workday, so life is good, can't complain. And tonight I'm hanging out with my buddy Matt, and then I'm hanging out with my buddy Dirty Billy, aka Adam. So it's gonna be a motorcycle filled nerd out night with some beers. It's a Thursday, so tomorrow's Friday. I busted my ass today. I worked hard a lot, so we're chilling. Tomorrow, I mean, I gotta work tomorrow, but tomorrow I can, you know, take my sweet time. Anyway, let me double check something. These are not proper winter gloves. And there's all this salt on the ground. What the hell? It's no snow. These are not proper winter gloves. Dope. Alright. Right. I forgot. Oh, damn it. Son of a potato. Son of a potato. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright, so we're vlogging, right? So this is what I'm wearing. Today was gonna be the day that I go and finally get some heated gloves, but then I ended up getting busy, and now I have to meet a buddy. So with any luck, I'll get him tomorrow. Now we reset 75 miles. This gas tank, not much at all. Not much at all. Look at these pop people. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic. It's another one of them fancy days. Look at this G63B. It's nice. I enjoy it. I enjoy that kind of machine, that kind of vehicle. I feel like somebody's calling me or texting me, or I don't freaking know. Ooh, that's a state trooper. That's definitely a state trooper. So we're gonna stay away. I think I'm just gonna stay in my lane. Just gonna stay in my lane. Yep, don't need any trouble. See that right there, that state trooper? That's the fucking ultimate trouble. That's fucking trouble and a quarter. That person will have sex with you hard. They'll fuck you hard. Yeah. Come on, bro. Is that guy paying attention? Probably not. Probably not. But still, we're not gonna fuck with him. Yo, bro. Yo, B. There you go. Ooh, it's like a Beamer on Beamer. Weird plates. Their plates are sequential. What does that mean? Probably a dealer. I don't know. But it's actually not even that cold. This morning it was like 30. That was fucking cold. But right now it's like 37. And shockingly, it's not so bad. And here we are. That person behind me is really on my butt. That sweet Nissan fucking Altima or whatever the fuck. Oh boy. Me tired. Me exhausted. And look at us, we're cruising. As soon as I see a cop, I'm just like, forget it. But this morning I started recording a vlog about what to do and what not to do when riding in this shitty ass weather like we got right now. And this weather is not even shitty. It's far from shitty. I mean, it's cold, yes, but the only other sketchy part is the freaking salt, you know, which is technically a big problem. And this right here, right now, you can kind of see a little bit of salt here and there. around my way in Williamsburg, they fucking went banana bread on the salt. They fucking were like making pickles, you know, and spilled some. Cause fucking, yeah, it's like there's like 2 inches of salt throughout, you know. It's like savagery. It's fucking savagery. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna see some over here as well, which leads me to believe that they're expecting some sort of a major snowstorm. Oh, look at this fucking cocksucker. Oh, this truck sucks dick. Look at him. I'm like stuck behind this fucking cocksmoker. I'm sorry. That's like a stream of swear words, but it's okay. You know, I could like see I can ride calm, because I could have passed this fucking prick like 69 times. Oh no, I should have passed this fucking prick like 69 times, because now he's gonna fondle my butt. Oh god. Imagine like, instead of motorcycles, if I was into like tractor trailers and like I had to drive this slow at all times. That would be some shit. I'm totally going on the inside, you fucking potato. Yeah, fucking potato. All the swearings. I would like to apologize for the excessive swearings as well. I know it's not cool, but yeah, see like all the whiteness, like that right there, that's snow. That's fucking snow. I mean snow, ice. I mean, god damn it, salt, son of a bitch. I don't know why. I need to clean my windshield. I think, well, I know why. The pin lock is kind of fucked. But yeah, look at that salt. Holy shit. And there's like a fucking salt truck. I don't know why. I'm not sure why they're doing this. Why are you doing this, bro? Fucking salt everywhere. All day, every day. And it's green light and nobody moving. These sons of bitches. I'm not trying to upset anybody. You know, I can't tell if this person is going straight or not. It's possible, but nobody knows. This bus is gonna try to beat me off the line, but you can't. Can you? No. Here we are. We cooking it with butter. That's all I say though. Well, watch out, lady. Watch out. Take her easy. Let's take her easy. Can't tell if these people are turning or not, but I think I'm just gonna get ahead like this. When you're in trouble, you don't want no trouble. Yeah, have I taught you anything ever in any of these vlogs? Why do you watch this? Comment below. Why do you put yourself through this shit? Come on, grandpa. Today, buddy. Motherfucker had to go straight. Can't even do that. Can't even do that. See, now I'm just honking for no reason. Before I would usually honk for a reason or two. Now I'm just honking. Now I'm just honking for the sake of honking. But yeah, you don't want to lean too hard. Look at this, CBR. Little Honda action. And here we are. Gorgeous, gorgeous fucking combinations and moves. Why am I so hype? Why am I want to figure out why some days I'm so hype and happy and other days I'm freaking a little potato bread. I wonder why that is. I wonder why that is. I don't know. I don't know. And I'm not too cold. I'm actually feeling alright still, which is surprising. But I did have arroz con pollo, chicken stew and rice and beans for lunch, and holy cow, I went a little hot on the hot sauce. I OD'd a little bit. So I have a feeling I'm gonna have some heartburn later, because that hot sauce, bro. Normally the green sauce is the hot one and the red one is not so much. Not fucking this time. These people did not play games today, because this is a new place that I ordered from, not my usual La Dominicana place. Come on, baby, give me that green sugar. And here we go. Make that light, you potato pie, you sweet potato pie. I'm about to get in front of you there, champ. There we go. Alright, park right there. Well, kids, I do want to thank you for all your support, and I appreciate it. You watching. I appreciate your support on Patreon. I also appreciate you buying like t-shirts and coffee mugs down in the description below. So it's all good. So I appreciate all those things, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.